Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be looking at an iDrive reboot solution once again, but this time for Mini. If you like all our content so far, please make sure you're liking our videos, commenting down below and subscribing to our channel. Now let's get straight into this. So you might have seen a BMW iDrive reboot solution video we've made. Today we are focusing on the Mini. Similar head units, it's just a lot of people out there don't know that Minis run the same hardware and software. So we are going to show you the problem, the solution, and what you can do if you come across this issue. Okay, so we have a 2016 Mini Clubman here. This is a Cooper. We are going to go in the vehicle and just show you the actual problem. I left that side locked. So if we open the door, got everything plugged in right now, but we haven't started anything. So we're going to show you, ignition is on. The head unit, every 20 to 40 seconds is stuck in a reboot loop. So you can see the head unit's on right now. Very shortly it's going to shut off and restart. It's a very common problem with all entry nav systems, whether it's on Mini or BMW. But a lot of people don't know that Mini and BMW share, like I said, the same hardware and software. So you'll see very shortly, there you go, it's just shut off. Ignition is still on, as you can see, and it's going to turn itself back on. There you go. So how do we deal with this issue? Now the way we're going to deal with this issue is plugging in our dealer level tools, running a diagnostic check and programming. So let's get straight into this. I've got everything connected. What you'll need is laptop, BMW dealer level software such as ISTA, ESIS, etc. We have a battery stabilizer connected, keeping a constant voltage. For programming we like 14 volts on a BMW Mini. And we have already identified the vehicle and on default tree. The main thing we're concerned about today is the head unit itself, which is this little square highlighted in yellow/orange. We're going to click on display fault memory, and so we are in the list of faults on the vehicle. Even though there are quite a few faults showing, we are focused on the head unit today. Right at the bottom you can see right there E1C440, which the description is HU-B: reset, which is head unit reset. This is indicating that the vehicle is aware of the resetting issue and the rebooting issue. However, clearing this code by itself will not fix the issue. There is some programming required. A lot of the main dealers, what they're going to say to you is you're going to need to replace the head unit, pay us $1,000 plus. You're going to need a new this, a new that. They're wrong because they don't know or they don't want to tell you. This can be fixed by programming. So let's get straight into the programming of the vehicle. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour to program. I'm going to set it up, leave it. I'm not going to sit there, wait 45 minutes in this whole video, but you've seen the problem. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to fix it, and then I'm going to show you everything working. And a nice benefit is, let's say you're using something like ISTA Plus, you get to update all the modules and have the car running the latest software. So yeah, let's get straight to it. I'm going to software update, and I'll show you while it's updating what we're going to do. Alright, so it took me a few minutes to set up everything I needed to, gone through the options I needed. Now the update has begun. So it's going to go through this whole list of things it needs to do in a particular order, including programming and coding, and afterwards it's post programming coding. So that will take about 45 minutes to an hour, like I said. If you are somebody who doesn't have access to diagnostic tools / dealer level equipment and you want to get this sorted, please give us a call. Our details are in the description below. You can email us, text us, even go through the website. There's a link just right there in the description that you can click on and purchase the service and book yourself in. We are very fairly priced compared to others. BMW would charge you a certain amount for diagnostics alone, we match that price on the whole fix. And if you show us your issue via video and we cannot fix the problem, if you bring the vehicle down here, we will not charge you. So I'm going to show you very, very shortly the problem fixed, and then we'll speak a little bit more about it. And yeah. Okay, so the update is complete. I packed everything up in terms of equipment. You can look at the head unit now. This head unit will stay on, it will not turn off unless you turn the vehicle off and exit the vehicle. It's working the way it's supposed to work without having to replace the actual main unit, and it was done at a fraction of a cost of any main dealer telling you need a head unit replacement. So if you are suffering from a similar issue, please get in touch with us and we can definitely help you out. Thanks for watching the video. Please make sure you like, subscribe and comment, and we'll see you next time.